that's all. I wish I had a magic wand. Oh my god, I found a magic wand. I wish for 2 pop tubes. Oh my god. Okay, I wish for octopus. I wish for a tiny octopus. Oh my god, tiny octopus. I wish for one of the big puppets. Oh my god, I found a big puppet. Woo! I wish for 3 monkey noodles. Oh yay, I got my favorite colors. Green, yellow and purple. I wish for one of them things, squidgy things. Well, actually 2 different things. Okay, it's 1. Oh yay, you know these fidgets. And this one I guess is a fidget too. I wish for the rest. Now I wish for the rest. Yay guys! In my next video I'm going to be showing you which is my first, second and third favorite fidgets. So yeah, bye!